warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alfiana Damayanti. I'm from PGMI Semester 2. In this video, I will present my final test analysis of the reading text entitled Transforming Islamic Elementary Classroom Multimodal Shifts. First, I will read the text completely. After that, I will explain the grammar analysis. Then, I will read my Indonesian translation and explain two educational technical terms. Transforming Islamic Elementary Classroom multimodal shifts because early childhood development requires multi-sensory engagement. Pedagogical methods developed by PGMI scholars are deemed more interactive than traditional lecture styles. This dynamic shift with uneven spiritual habits and digital funds demand continuous instructional upgrade from classroom practitioners. Although resource constraints persist in rural madrasah, this comprehensive approach occurs by cultivating moral behavior, engage your learner, and forcing analysis. Thus, consequently, classroom harmony will be permanently sustained if learners are carefully modeled by educators. Because linguistic literary occur letters early, the highest fluent militants recorded this semester must be calibrated by instructor utilizing multi-sensory kits. Grammar analysis. Now I will explain the grammar analysis based on the reading text. Sense pattern subject verb. The first sense is because children's development requires multisensory engagement. Pedagogical methods developed by PGMI scholars are made more interactive than traditional lecture styles. The subject is pedagogical methods. The main verb is are the main adverb clause. There are two adverb clauses in the text. The first adverb clause is because early childhood development requires multisensory engagement. It shows reasons. The second adverb clause is although resource constraints persist in rural madrasah. It shows contrast or concatenation. There are several passive points formed in the text. The first passive verb is argument. The second passive verb is will be celebrated. Modal and conditionals. The sense with modal and conditional cause is administrative, will be minimized if software parameters are strictly set. The modal phrase is will be minimized. The conditional clause is if software parameters are strictly set. Comparative and superlative. The comparative modifier is more interactive than it compares pedagogical methods with traditional lecture style. The superlative modifier is the highest. It modifies fluency milestone, reduces participles. The far reduced participles is developed by PGMI Schoral. It is a passive reduced participle. It's full from it which were developed by PGMI scholars. The second reduced participle is utilizing multisensory kits. It is an active reduced participle. Its full form is will are utilizing multisensory kit. Translation now. I will read the Indonesian translation. Transformasi kelas Madrasah Ibtidaiyah sebuah perubahan multimodal. Karena perkembangan anak, usia dini memerlukan keterlibatan multisensori, metode pembelajaran yang dikembangkan oleh para akademisi, PGMI dianggap lebih interaktif dibandingkan metode ceramah tradisional. Perubahan yang dinamis ini yang menggabungkan pembiasaan spiritual dengan pembelajaran fonik digital menuntut adanya peningkatan pembelajaran secara berkelanjutan dari para guru di kelas. Meskipun keterbatasan sumber daya masih terjadi di madrasah pedesaan, pendekatan yang menyeluruh ini berhasil membentuk perilaku yang baik. Meningkatkan keterlibatan peserta didik serta mengembangkan kemampuan berpikir kritis. Oleh karena itu, suasana kelas yang harmonis akan terus terjaga apabila berbagai rutinitas dicontohkan dengan baik oleh para pendidik, karena kemampuan literasi berbahasa berkembang sejak dini. Pencapaian kemampuan berbahasa yang tertinggi yang dicatat pada semester ini baru harus dirayakan oleh para guru dengan memanfaatkan perangkat pembelajaran multisensori. Educational technical term. The first technical term is pedagogical methods. It means teaching methods or strategies used by teachers to help students learn effectively. The second technical term is institutional upgrades. It means continual improvements in teaching methods, learning media, and classroom introducing to make learning more effective. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.